Does CapCut keep logging out again and again on your iPhone? This usually happens due to account syncing issues, outdated app versions, or temporary glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut logout problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 2. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to home screen, tap and hold the CapCut icon. Now tap Remove App. Then tap Delete. Again tap Delete to confirm deletion. Now go to the App Store and install this app again. Now try to log in to CapCut again. Hope this time it is solved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.